Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So first, I want to thank LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this beautiful bob, y'all. Yeah, she's not giving. What is she giving? Tell me what she's giving. Comment below, what is this wig giving? Because it's just giving class. It's giving sleek. It's giving clean. It's giving sleek, beautiful. It looks so natural. I didn't even have to put any powder in the... I didn't put no powder or concealer in the parting. The knots are already bleached for you. Like, she is absolutely stunning, okay? I love this. Yes, so I'm gonna get into this wig. Make sure you guys keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right there so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video, y'all. Hey guys, we're working with the LUVME Hair again. So they sent me over some things. Let's get into it real quick. So you're gonna get your little wig baggie, a bonnet. I got 2 wig caps because they sent me over 2 wigs, so I got 2 of those. And a little pouch. Inside you have a little edge wrap and a baby hair brush. Another bonnet. Another pouch. You know, they just doubled up on everything. Thank you. Okay, so the wig we are working with, don't mind these kinks. These kinks are because it's been sitting in a box for a little bit. But this is a 10-inch bob with a deep side part. Let's get into the lace. The lace looks, the knots actually look bleached, which is good. I don't think they plucked too much on the sides here, but it looks very natural, very, very natural. The parting space is pretty deep. It looks like about 4.5, maybe 5 inches. It looks pretty good. The hair feels good. I love the blunt ends. You know, it's definitely giving Bobbiana. Let's get into the construction of this wig. Inside, it looks like this. So you have lace around the perimeter and then the deep side part here. So you have to wear this one in a side part. 3 combs, elastic band, adjustable straps. Let's see if this is big girl head friendly. But yeah, construction looks good. I'm gonna try not to do like any baby hairs on this, maybe like some swoops, but I'm not gonna like cut any baby hairs on this one today. But yeah, we're wearing it in a deep side parts. Oh my gosh, yeah, she got body. I like the luster on this too. It's like not too shiny, not too dull. Feels good and looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, okay? And then just watch me put this baby on and style her real quick because I think this one's gonna be easy. I think. All right, you guys, so I'm all done styling the hair. It came out beautifully. Let's get into the lace. The lace looks good. Oh, you know what? I didn't even put no powder or nothing on my parting, but I feel like it looks pretty good still. Maybe I can use a little bit right here. All right, I just put a little bit on there. I don't want it to be too dark. But yeah, so the lace looks great. We got a body yaddy yaddy. Hold on, I didn't even show y'all the back real quick. Hold on. So that's the back. The hair is beautiful. So again, this is a 10-inch bob with a deep side part. It's a 13. It goes all the way across, but it has a deep side parting, so you can only part it right here. The lace looks fire. The hair is sleek and elegant, classy. I love it. I love this length. It's perfect. Barely touching the shoulders. Like, I love that. If you have a longer neck, it might not even touch the shoulders, and I love that. It's just so freeing to not have hair like hanging on you. I don't know, I love it. I think I'm gonna get a bob cut soon. Honestly, y'all, I've been thinking about cutting my hair into a bob. I want to, like my real hair, Anyway, but yeah, so this is beautiful. The luster is great. Like, look how good this looks. I just put a little baby hair right here because I just felt like it needed something right here, but nothing on this side. I did pluck the perimeter just a little bit, and it looks good. It looks so good. So again, thank you LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, my discount code, all the other wigs they have on their website. Check them out. I love LUVME Hair. I've been working with them forever. They definitely have quality hair. It's quality, y'all. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.